Hi, my name is Tutor. Let us learn the alphabets from A to Z from farm animals. Let's go! A for alpaca. A, alpaca. Alpaca, alpaca. B for bull. B for bull. Bull. C for chicken. C, chicken. Chicken, chicken. D for donkey. D, donkey. Donkey, donkey. E for emu. E, emu. Emu, emu. F for ferret. F, ferret. Ferret, ferret. G for goose. G, goose. Goose. H for hug. H, hug. Hug. I for iguana. I, iguana. Iguana, iguana. J for jackal. J, jackal. Jackal, jackal. K for koi. K, koi. Koi. L for lamb. L, lamb. Lamb. M for mule. M, mule. Mule. N for nanju. N, nanju. 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 O for ostrich. O, ostrich. 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 P for peacock. P, peacock. 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 Q for quail. Q, quail. Quail. R for ram. R, ram. Ram. S for steer. S, steer. Steer. T for tortoise. T, tortoise. Toys. Tortoise. U for Uriel. U, Uriel. 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 V for Vicania. V, Vicania. 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 W for water buffalo. W, water buffalo. Water buffalo. X for xenopus. X, xenopus. 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 Y for yak. Y, yak, yak. Z for zebu. Z, zebu. Zebu, zebu. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching. See you next time with my new video. Bye.